I am Sarah Lindstrom. I'm a registered nurse, bachelor's degree. I thought that leading was super easy. It was really laid back. It was fun. It was easy to find the articles. It was easy to talk about it. Picking an article that you enjoy the topic really helped. It was good. Everybody should do it.
And how did you find your articles?
I contacted Frances, the librarian, and I just told her what I wanted to talk about, and she was more than willing to answer any of my questions. She sent me an abundance of articles and was available for any other help I needed.
Kathleen Crowder, MSN, RNBC, CLC. I feel like this evidence base is important and the huddle is important so that we can have the up-to-date research. It can validate what we're doing. It can show us better practice where we need to change and help us promote nursing as a whole. It was wonderful. It showed a lot of different things that we are doing. It showed areas that we can research more, we can look at more, and just kind of validated our practice and what we're doing.
So one thing that you took away from this article that you think it can be implemented in your practice?
Immediately, time. That was the most impactful thing to me, was the amount of time that it takes to explain to our clients the concepts and just slowing down and making sure that they understand. Because in order to break those barriers of trauma, we have to have that time to explain and allow our clients to absorb the information. And then we need to validate that they fully understand what they heard.
So my name's Anne Mikulik, and I'm a nurse home visitor here in Healthy Beginnings, and I started our journal club here. And to me, a journal club is important because it's our duty as nurses, as healthcare providers, to know what's happening in the scientific world, to know what new evidence is coming out, to just not keep doing things the way that we've always done it, and to always have a spirit of inquiry. So I think it's been a really fun way, not intimidating, fun way for us to incorporate new ideas into our practice and make sure that we're not doing things the way that we've always done it. I know releveling is a really important thing for nurses at Carle. You know, it's a way to get paid more for what you do and a way to be recognized as a level 3, 4, or 5 nurse. And a cool thing about the journal club is participating in a journal club and leading a journal club is a way to get points in the research section for releveling. So that's kind of a nice benefit too.